I'm Jacqueline.
I'm Jessica.
And we're here to show you that it's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
So we want to start just by showing you our physical traits. Believe it or not, Jessica and I are the same height. However, when you look at our bodies, you can realize none of our limbs aren't all the same. Yet, we are more than capable of getting into yoga postures, and that's what we really want to share with you today.
So, we have Jack, all leg and arms. We have me, I'm all torso. But when we get into a pose, you're going to see it's all yoga.
So we're going to step to the mat and we're going to show you what we got. Welcome back, and today Jessica and I are getting you into pigeon pose. Pigeon pose can be a difficult one for people to access, but with the right props, you can target pigeon and you can really open up much of the body. To get into pigeon pose, I'm actually going to have us start getting into our downward dog. So inhale, hands overhead, exhale, hinge the waist. Hands go down into forward fold. And then from here, if you want to, you can just simply walk yourself out into a down dog, maybe even pump up your knees to loosen them up first. Inhale, we'll start with our right leg, inhaling the leg long back behind us, bending in that knee, and bringing the shin to meet parallel behind the wrists. And this is where pigeon is going to begin to look different for many of us. So you'll notice my leg is not quite parallel, and you'll still see a gap here under my hip. This is where I could be placing a bolster or a block, or I could sit in my pigeon and really try to fill the posture.
Absolutely. And so my legs are pretty short, and also I'm protecting my knee here. So I have almost a 25-degree angle here, not even a 45. And I could totally put a bolster here, but I am still in pigeon. It's all yoga.
It's all yoga.
It's all yoga. And so I like to start up first and then slowly as I breathe, at least 10 breaths here. Guys, this can totally be a yin pose. You can hold this for 3 to 5 minutes. And with every exhale, relax further and further into the pose. Wherever you end up stopping, that's beautiful for you and beautiful in your body. And we're still going to have that beautiful release, especially in the second chakra. So the oil that we picked here is actually sweet cinnamon. It's called cassia or cassia, and it's the oil of self-assurance. It brings gladness and courage to the heart. It's a wonderful remedy for the shy and timid. It dispels fear and replaces it with self-assurance, and it challenges individuals to try. So what a beautiful oil. I have it diluted, so a lot of times you've seen in the videos that it's the pure. This is a hot oil. So I have 3 drops of cassia in here, and I filled the rest with fractionated coconut oil. All right, we're gonna even out, and we'll see you in the next video.